So a day in my life is start with prayer. And then, oh my god, this is cutie. Happy birthday to Ate Lovely. We just came back from the church and now we are having our lunch here. So actually, it's just a breakfast with lunch because we hadn't had breakfast. Well, anyways, this is very cute place. And you see this little araba in here? Oh my god, it's so pretty. And yes, I look this crazy in my real life, so I'm sorry if I bothered you. So I'm always like this. I'm grumpy, I always want to dance, I want to be crazy, and that's it. So gonna eat with Ate Lovely. Oh my god, this noodle, I don't know, but it's salad and then this wings. Oh my god, a perfect combination. I love. And this kuya is very nice. Accommodated us very well. Thank you, kuya. Ikaw na jud. Ikaw na jud ang pinaka maayo nga rater sa tanan. Charot! Syempre, kabaya. Nice special treatment. Well, anyways, lami ilang food there, guys. I love it so much. Wala ko nag-expect. Oh my god, nga daade ay Tesla dere sa Al Nakheel Mall, mashallah. Unya, nagpalit lang ko og kanang cap and workout clothes and shoes. Kay lagi nag-gym naman ang earring. So a glimpse of my purchase today is this Under Armour pink and white and with black, and also this one. This is my favorite, by the way. This is Under Armour white color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I cannot wait to go to the gym and wear this. Oh my gosh, and it really fits me well. Very comfortable if you're gonna walk or run or do something. It will not make your feet like tired. Oh my gosh, very comfortable, guys. Kung gunahan mo, charot. Adto na mo dayon dito, karon na dayon, charot. Well, anyways, malo na akong na-afford. So, very nice kaayo siya nga purchase. Okay, let's go to the gym. Gym ta ko no, hay no. Kunyari, kay kabalutan mo gym. Yan, ani guys, ako din gina-burn ang ako ang mga fat sa akong chan. So, dili pa jud perfect, no? So, magtala-tala na lang ko. Pero according ra pa ni sa akong mga researches, sa mga movements, nga pwede, mao po akong ginabuhat sa gym. So, anyways, na ako'y nakita ang mga slight nga mga improvements, which I think, mao jud ni nga mga gains nga akong gusto while on the gym niya. Magpusing-pusing sa no, kay pilingon bayat ta niya ang ako ang top sa tanawa akong bilbil, guys. Mao na akong gusto mawala, guys, akong bilbil, but eventually inshallah mawala na siya. Magpuspos gid tagkadaghan, guys, kay feeling gid kay nako ang shoes karon. Charot niya. Kunyari ka ng ana dayon stretching kay kita noon ako kay marag unsa ni siya gabidyo man siya, charas nya wala lang, bahala mo din ha, basta kay mag bidyo ko, bahala mo nya. Nagplanking ko nohay ko, guys. Nya dili man ako makaya, oy hastang kapuya man ani mo planking, no? So nakaingaw na lang ko, kadili na lang ko magplanking next time nya, kay nasugda naman ako hapa-hapa diha. So ako na lang gid siyang gipadayon kay maraglain man kung dili na ko siya ipadayon, no, basig makaingon silang, charas. Well, anyways, joke lang to ha. Okay, bye. Mao to akong mga guys, mga update for today's video. So mara to, bye. Mo chup chup.